Alright, these big wheels, or actually the stock motor cannot handle these big wheels in the beach. It overheats and then it stops. It happened to me like 4 times already. Oh. I guess the frame touches the body when I turn too much. That's max right there. There's a delay. How are the wheels? Oh, it's hot. Max. There's the Ocean Life Patrol on my right, so I don't want to go too fast, and he might come and tell me to put it away. I don't think I'm supposed to have this yet. Oh, it got hot. Look at this. This is what I mean. It's stock motor, but anyway, I'm gonna play with other toys. Alright, so just now I was just going max of 33 only. Oh, it got too hot now. One last time, hold on. Almost. Okay, one last time. That's max right there. Alright guys, I think I burned out the motor, because when I turn it on, the steering still works, the ES still turns on, but when you hit throttle, nothing happens. So I was just playing on the beach. It overheated like 5-6 times. Kept on playing with it, but I guess I broke it. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have put on these heavy ass tires with double battery, because that little motor couldn't take it. I burnt it out. I'm turning on right now. It turns. When you hit throttle, nothing happens. I'm just gonna have to pop in another motor. Alright guys, I'm leaving the beach.